It's your girl Coco, and today we are here with another vlog. Not vlogmas, but we're here with another vlog. Just put it out there. It is officially New Year's Eve. Yeah, I still have my tree up. Yeah, my decorations are still up. What you gonna do about it? Nothing. Ain't gonna do nothing about it. But I just want to show you guys the setup. We're just doing a little mini intimate kickback, you know, a little date night, couples, you know what I'm saying? If you come, you come. If you don't, you don't. But this is the setup for the charcuterie. Well, I don't know. I got something for the charcuterie board. I have an Instacart order on the way. Hopefully it comes in time. But this is for my charcuterie. I got some cookies to go with that. I have some of this spinach and artichoke dip. We have some boudin sausage, burgers going on the pit. We got some Crown vanilla. We have some Pinnacle vodka. And then we got some little fireworks. Leek is taking a nap right now, so we're gonna let him nap until it's time for 12 o'clock to hit and to start popping some of these. We have some sprinklers, you know, the OG little smokers, smoke bombs, little poppers, all that good stuff. But yeah, I'm about to start setting up for the little vibe, clean up a bit, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. So yeah, enjoy. But first, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that post notification bell so you know every time I'm posting. Let me show y'all KENO on this pit though. Hold on. There you go.
Good start.
Alright, so now y'all about to see me start the setup real quick. You better be thinking big. That's your problem, Daddy. Babe, that's too close to the trees. That's too close to me. Okay, okay, okay. Come here. No. Just look. Look, you don't miss it. Look. That's cute. That's cute. Yep. Is that the same big sparkler as that blue? Let me see. There you go. Mama, get you a new one. Mama, get you a new one. Here, baby. I'm trying to get get fucked up. That's a song. Wait, get fucked up. Get fucked up. There we go. Hey. Say the do now. Do 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 do. Okay, I'm trying to hit. Oh no. Okay, watch it. It's hot. Yeah. Good job, Lee. You're such a big boy. You're such a big boy. I'm trying to keep you from setting yourself on fire, young man. Good job, Lee. Alright, so we got a little jalapeno sausage, homemade fries, some brown sugar, hickory, beans, and some potato salad. Okay, and Leek's gonna go. But yes.